Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Boxycharm and my Ipsy bag. They're still not open, and they both came in the mail at the same time on the same day, which was yesterday. And so I want to go ahead and come and open these. Like I always say, I never cheat. I never look and see what they are, like the spoilers. I never do that, and I never watch anybody else's video to see what they got until after I do mines, and then like tomorrow I'll go and see what other people got. So without waiting any longer, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Ipsy bag first, just because I want to just do the Boxycharm second. So I'm opening this, and I did, however, see what the bag looked like. That was kind of hard to not see because people was posting spoilers, I think, on Instagram. So I knew that it was going to be this bag, and I thought this was super cute. It looks like people's faces, and I really love that it's black and white. I'm loving the pink little bow or whatever, and I was just thinking that I want to I'm gonna probably color this with my Copic markers, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna open this, and we're gonna dig in and see what the first thing is. Oh Lord, it's always some word I cannot say because I've never heard it before. Labotica. It looks like that. Labotica. I'm not too sure. It says transforming liquid foil mask. Peel off mask with pearl extracts. After cleansing, dry. Okay. It says dermatologist tested. And it was made in Korea. Now my thing is, on my thing that I picked, you know, things that I don't like, and you know, when you do the little survey thing, I said I did not mark mask. I don't really care for face mask, whether it's the whole sheet or stuff like this. I really just don't care for it. It says it's a pearl and brightening. So unfortunately for me, this is not a win item for me, because I did mark that I don't care for mask, and I got a mask. So yeah. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Vin Effect Pore Minimizing Cleanser. Now this I love. I've never used it, but anything that is pore minimizing, I know that I'm gonna love. I have this problem area, which I'm sure a lot of people do, which is right here in this area, and more on this side for some reason, over here. So this is a cleanser. It says it's gentle foaming gel cleanser with willow bark, soy, and pomegranate. Whisk away everyday impurities. Apply to damp skin and gently massage into face. Rinse. So it's just a facial wash pretty much, but it says pore minimizing cleanser. I'm happy about that. I can't wait to try that. I've never even heard of that company. Next, ooh, Steve Laurent. I don't know what this is. Oh, a lip oil. So the box looks like that. This box is pretty. I'm loving that color right now. And it says lip oil down here. And then on the other end it says orchid. So let's see. Ooh, I think this is pretty. Now lip products I love. It looks like that. Really clear and see-through, and it says it's a lip oil. I'm not gonna put it on because I'm wearing something, but ooh, when I pulled that, it looks really thick. Can you see that? Look at that. Ooh, you see how thick that is? And it doesn't smell like anything, but if I had to say it's, ooh, it's so thick you can hardly, you gotta push the top back in. But it had kind of like a light sweet smell, but not really, but it doesn't stink or anything. So this is cool. Never ever seen that before. And it just basically is no instructions or anything. It's just a lip oil, probably for moisturizing. So I'm excited to try that out. The next thing in here, oh, Ipsy Create. I was looking at this like, is this some new eyeshadow? Some markers? Is this the new craze? Am I supposed to draw my eyebrows or my eyeshadow? It's the markers to color the bag. And I got pink and yellow, which I'll probably use, but I'm going to use my Copic markers. So what else is in here? Okay, this was the bag. It says, the card, Create Ipsy, March 2018. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shades. And it just says a bunch of stuff back here for you to read. That's super cute. I feel 2 more things in here. Ooh, a Tarte Sex Kitten. What is this? Is this the eyeliner? The packaging is so cute. It has a little kitten at the end, and then it says Sex Kitten. Let me see. So it's a eyeliner that comes up like that. Really nice. Let me see. Ooh, and it glides on really, really nice. It's really creamy. This is going to be perfect for me. I can never have too many eyeliners or mascaras. Although some of the mascaras I have I don't really care for, but I like to try them out. But I love a good eyeliner, and I can't wait to play with that one. And then there was one more thing in here. This little tiny bubble wrap. Hikari Cream Pigment. If I'm not mistaken, Hikari is like a Japanese little brand or whatever. It says Hikari Cosmetics. It's a cream pigment. Let me open it. Okay, so I got it open, and it looks like that. Very pretty color. Really, really pretty. Let me swipe it. Oh, whoa. That was just me running my finger over that one time. Can you see that? Look at how gold that is. That is so pretty. Oh, and it was so creamy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Really, really nice. I've never heard of, yes I have. I have heard of this brand. I just never had any of their products. So this is the last thing in my Ipsy bag. I'm very excited to try this. The pretty much everything besides the mask. So that was the only thing that I'm not too thrilled about. Yeah, I'll keep that and give that away or something. But I'm loving this bag. I think this is cute. The only difference this time that I see is it doesn't have the little tag that says Ipsy like they usually put on there. But this bag is still really cute. So now we're going to jump into Boxycharm and see what's in here. I just took the scissors and opened it up. And let's see. Okay, so the cards and stuff was trying to fall out. So when I first opened it, I see something for 25% off, and then there's a card, and then you have like the egg crate paper right there, which I'm not going to lift up yet, but this 25% off is for Butter London. 25% off your next $50 purchase on butterlondon.com. So that's pretty cool. I'll check them out and see if there's something on there that I want to get. Probably something in the box that's going to make me go there. And then this one is, this card says Vacation. That is so cute. And then I love, and I'm not going to look at the back really because it's in the box and the prices, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so let's get this open. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, you guys know what? So from what I've seen on Instagram is, you guys know a lot of people was like really trying to get Boxycharm. I know I was on the waiting list for a while. Not too bad. I think I was on the waiting list for like 2 months. But now, from what I know, they don't have a waiting list. I don't know if that was like a short thing and anybody can join, and then once they got too full, they'll probably put you back on the waiting list. I don't know. But from the last I heard, the waiting list is over. So if you've been wanting to get Boxycharm, now is the time. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Butter London. And it looks like this. And it says double decker lashes mascara. I love Boxycharm. They give you giant like real size items, not just, you know, sample sizes. So, ooh, and I was just talking about mascara. So let's see if I can get this out. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it says increase 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. Now what I am going to say is this container is ginormous. it looks like the really big one that I got from Too Faced. I can't remember the name of it, but that giant size mascara that I had gotten, the wand was bigger than my face. This one is pretty big too. So this is what it looks like. Really big. I can only imagine using that. As you can see, it's pretty much as big as my eyeball. So that's going to be very interesting. But like I said, I love mascara. So I am super happy to get this. And if I love it enough and I like the formula, then I will definitely go online and use this 25% off of 50. But honestly, I do not need to purchase any more makeup right now. Okay, oh my God, this is so cute. Look at that. It looks like a picture frame. It's gold. It's so pretty. This is Prime Vixen Make Them Blush by Prettynflawed. Oh my gosh. This packaging alone is super cute. Loving it. And this is the color. Really nice pink kind of a color. I don't know if that's too pink for me. I'm not too sure yet. I'm definitely going to give it a try. But I really love this packaging. That is super cute. Oh, I'm sorry. So the Butter London Lashes Mascara retail for $20. And this, whoa, retails for $26. Make Them Blush. Awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. $26, and the mascara was $20. And I mean, you guys all know that Boxycharm is only $21 a month. So just with them two items alone, it was well worth it to purchase it. Okay, so I'ma like this. This is called South Main. And let me just tell you how much this is before I tell you what it is. It says under eye gels. I love under eye gels. I do have a box right now that I currently use, and it's the gold ones because I do get a little bit of puffiness right here. It's hard for me to fall to sleep sometimes at night. A little bit of insomnia because I'm always thinking about stuff when I should be asleep. And I'm thinking about just stuff. So sometimes I get those bags right there, and I love the under. Now I don't like a full face mask, but I do the gel under here, and I do the gel for my lips. So this is a new one that I've never tried, and it says reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area, and this is retail for $10 for these three. Thoroughly cleanse, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness. Use promptly after opening. I'm excited by these. I cannot wait to try these just because I do love the under eye patches, but you're not supposed to use them too often. I think I usually do it like maybe 2 times a week, but if I really didn't get any sleep, it can be 3 to 4 times a week that I'll put one under my eye. Okay, so moving on. I see 2 more things in here. Oh, these are cute. The Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. Look at the vintage packaging on this. How adorable is that? Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Pack a darker color on with the angled shadow brush and work into the crease. And then the smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease. Okay, so let me get these open. They are taped shut. Okay, so I got these open. I'm gonna pull them out, but let me tell you, the Vintage Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set retails for $23.15 for these 3 brushes. So let's see. These are really cute. Oh, that is so cute. So this is what they look like in their cream, like a cream color, and the brush actually looks really nice, really soft. So this one says step 1, for the money. Can you see that? For the money. That is so cute. And then on the other side it does say the name of the company. Step 2 is for the shadow. And over here it says the Vintage collection. Super cute. And then the third one says right here, it says step 3, go girl go. Those are so cute, and these look like some really nice brushes. They feel really, really good, and for $23.15, that is not bad. So I mean, I'm happy. I love Boxycharm. I think that's, I love the Boxycharm box. Okay, so this last thing, let me sit this box down. And I hope you guys don't mind me doing both in the same video. I just didn't want to record a whole Ipsy video and then a Boxycharm video, so I just felt like doing them at the same time, just so I can get it done with. Where'd my card go? Where'd I sit the card? Oh, right here. So this is Boxycharm Pure. What is this? Another eyeshadow palette. What did we get last month? Was it, what did I get? Was it the lipstick palette? I think it was lipstick. I think it was a lipstick palette. So this eyeshadow palette right here retails for $36. It says this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duo chrome finish. $36. Let's look at this. And I like Pure Cosmetics. I like them a lot. Oh, I was like, why is it not open and it still got the stickers on the side? Let me get these off. Okay, so I got them off, and let's just see. Oh, whoa, the plastic film fell out. Ooh, so this whole front piece is a mirror, as you can see right there, and it says Pure and Boxycharm. Oh, these colors are pretty. Ooh, I see some satins and shimmers. Ooh, I only see, is that matte? I only really see 3. I'm sorry, I was just looking, and I only really see 3 matte colors, which would be this one. Which other one did I see? And this one right here. So this one and this one looks matte. I don't know if you can see that. But then you have a lot of the shimmer colors. And then you have some that look kind of frosty, like these down here. But look at those colors, and they do have the names on them. Really, really nice. Let's see. Let's do this one. Ooh, that's so creamy. Ooh, look at that. And then let's try this blue one. Oh, those are pretty. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, I'm happy. I am happy with this. I'm happy with all the items from Boxycharm. So yeah, so that is it, you guys, for my Boxycharm and Ipsy. Like I said before, I am not affiliated with them. Like, I don't have a discount code or anything. I don't know why, but I don't. Probably because I'm not sponsored through them. I just purchase these on my own every month. So, yeah. But I will put their links down below in case any of you guys are interested in either signing up for them or even looking at some of these products separate. I will probably try to link those items down below as well. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you real soon in another one. Bye.